What's up? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Just wanted to drop a video real quick about how to make things affordable and to work with your clients, giving them what they want. So here's a big cleanup, leaf cleanup. Basically, the job was so big that I knew if we really did it all, the client would not be able to afford the job. So I basically just ask a question. I give them a price and I'll say, how does that sound for you? A lot of times the client will let you know whether or not that's something they can afford and whether or not they're willing to walk away. So basically she told us what the price was for her and how she felt about our quote. And then what we say is, hey, this is how we can work it in. What we'll do is we'll blow off your patio back here. We'll also, in that price, mulch the area of grass that you have on the side of your home. Also, we'll mulch the grass on top of your hilltop up here, and we'll make sure that this area is clean and you can see your grass. And that's what we did. We worked within her budget to make it happen. We cleaned up the front area. We blew off the driveway, making it nice and neat as you come up with nice curb appeal. So what I'm asking, or I'm telling you guys, make it affordable. Make your price based upon what some of your clients need. A lot of times, a little bit can go a long way. It can keep you cutting on, just like I cut on with this client right here. It looks really nice. Gave her what she wanted, and not too shabby. All right, fam. Cut on lawn care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.